eats too much?
He eats too much.
He does eat too much.
I
eat like a little pigeon. Okay. What is she going to say? It's up to her.
Yeah.
But thank you for that. Thank you very much.
We were roommates in the States.
That's what she says. That's what she tells me.
Double bed. Tawag na condo. Down. Bed. No.
She was a roommate.
We call it condo. Remember my
Kaya po ilalim yan.
Nakaka-music ko yung mag-asing din.
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, ang serving time po natin, 10 to 20 minutes.
1, 2, 3.
Yung ba yung nasa ganun?
Okay.
Yung ganun.
Drag pa or ball?
Parang box na
Yes, ma'am. May category.
Place to stay.
Parang ito ata. Ito.
No. I work in LA. Remember? In Sejos.
I thought she's a roommate.
Yeah, no, she's a roommate here. In the States.
Yeah, that's not, we're not in the States.
In the States.
She gets confused. She thinks we're in Los Angeles.
No, in the States.
In the States,
California. We're together in Panorama. Alam niya, lagi ako sinusundo din.
Cedros?
Kasi Diyos yung apartment natin.
That was all. I got to pick her up in Cedros. Yeah, I know Cedros well. Hard parking.
Hard parking.
No parking spots. Okay. So I assumed that you were talking about.
No. In LA. In Cedros.
So what was that before?
We bought the condo before LC.
Before LC.
Yeah.
Third floor?
Second floor.
Second floor?
Yung po,
Remember in our place? Terminal.
My place is big. I don't invite you.
Rest.
I know. Yeah. Right on the way. Right? How long does it take me to get home from here?
I think 3 hours.
Shut up.